Like fried pickles.
Oh yeah.
Joint, doesn't matter.
Bacon wrapped pickles, people. Homemade ranch. Woo, gotta do the dip. Oh, this guy's hot, hot, hot. Oh yeah. Bring that to your next party, guys. Woo! All right, time to fire up the egg. Woohoo! All right, looking good, about 350. What's up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome to BBQ Jams. I'm your host, Will Bloomberg, and tonight we're gonna be scoring a killer touchdown with some bacon wrapped pickles. I know, it seems pretty simple, but why not, guys? It's a great appetizer. Let's get involved. So, who's coming in tonight? Tonight, we have Ryan Cobb coming down on the bass. We have Steve Wheeler on guitar, and we also have Arthur Zaragoza on guitar, and myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So, guys, I'm gonna show y'all how to make some killer bacon wrapped pickles. Let's do it. Fuck that all up. All right, so here we go. We're gonna do bacon wrapped pickles. We're actually gonna just try all these different ones out just to kind of give them a shot, see what happens. Also gonna be using some of my OG BBQ Jams Rub, which you can pick up, by the way, at the merch company. And some of the other things are gonna be on your screen somewhere here or there. I don't know, Jeff, what do you just pick a spot? Anyway, without further ado, people, let's get involved with wrapping up some pickles with bacon. And we're gonna be, by the way, putting it on the green egg at 350 for about an hour indirect cook. So here we go. Here we go, guys. Pickle, bacon, rub. That's about it. I know, it's very involved, but it's good. You know, if you're in a hurry and you're trying to get to a party or something like that and you want something simple to cook, boom, here you go. All right. One spear. Just wrap it on up. Just like that. I mean, come on. Doesn't get any simpler than that, right? Let me wrap up a few more of these guys. We're gonna prep them up and we'll be right back. You guys enjoy these jams. All right, so our pickles are wrapped with bacon. Time to go on with some OG barbecue rub, barbecue jams. Just put a little bit on here on the top, give a little extra flavor. And we're gonna be putting this on the green egg tonight at 350 for about an hour. We're just waiting for this bacon to crisp up, basically. So, boom, 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 there we go. Looking gorgeous. All right, cool. All right, onto the pit. All right, we're gonna make up another tray of these. You guys check out these jams, you know, like and subscribe, all that good stuff. Come on now, let's get involved. All right, they're done. Let's pull them. Here we are, moment of truth, everybody. Bacon wrapped pickles, homemade ranch. Guys, let's get involved with some of this stuff. Let's bring in some of these players tonight, by the way. Ryan Cobb, come on in, baby. Yeah. What's up, dude? Good to see you, good to see you.
Always a pleasure.
We got Arthur Zaragoza over here. What's up, bro? Come on, man. Come on. Hey, we got, what was it, Steve Wheeler over here again tonight? Come on, man. Come on. Coming in on in hot. What's up, Bubba? How we doing?
This is my first pickle experience.
Oh, well, it's a good one.
My
Got bacon on
camera.
Pretty big deal.
Well, with that, hey, I like that. It's a pretty big deal. Hey, so without further ado, guys, let's get involved with some bacon wrapped pickles. You guys ready? We're gonna go in. Everybody, come on in.
Or should I say
We're
the
gonna grab
ranch?
this guy right here. Oh yeah, there you go. Nice.
Roll them up?
Yeah, dude.
One by one?
Come on. It's got some of the barbecue jam seasoning on there. Let's do a little dip right now. All right, cheers, guys. Woo! Get involved. Yeah.
Wow.
That's great. That's really good.
Yeah.
So simple,
Good.
but so good.
A lot of combination.
Killing it.
Yeah.
Martine, you want to come in? You want to try one?
No, I'm gonna have to, man.
Mikey, come on, bro.
Yeah.
We haven't had Mikey over here tonight. Yeah, y'all grab one. Check it out. See what you think.
Wow.
It looks crunchy.
Hey, check it out.
All right.
Really good, mate.
Right? Guys, it's like the perfect little combo.
Yeah.
Great little quick appetizer for your party. Hey, Coop.
Awesome.
Coop, you want to come on in?
I'm about to get another one, man.
I know. It's so ridiculous.
That bacon comes in handy. You can wrap anything.
Even a cookie. Nice, huh? I like that. Well, I could recommend smoke one on one over here if you want.
I gotta get another one, man.
Good. Go for it, bro. Go for it.
I gotta go for it.
It's a wrap.
Guys, hey, look. Y'all go in for it. We're having a ball over here, people. Jams are killing it. Cooks are killing it. We're having a great time. You guys like, subscribe. You know the drill. We'll be right back. Woo!
Good.
Oh, man.
What a night.
All right, Jeff. Give me a reaction.
It's not really cold.
No.
Yeah. That's really good.
I'm just wrapped up.
Is that the spicy one?
Doesn't seem to be, but
It's kind of hard to tell, right?
It's just
so nice now.
really good.
I'm just tired.
That's the only thing I can do. Excellent. I'm glad you got me on camera finally.
We were wrong.
Hey guys, we had a great show tonight. Thank you so much for being a part of BBQ Jams tonight. Hey, Bacon Wrapped Pickles, it was a huge hit. Do Some Homemade Ranch, by the way, is excellent. And you can catch that on one of the episodes we just released, by the way. Also, big shout out to merch company. Bro, Derek, thanks for hooking it up as always, buddy. And these guys, they're always tearing it up. We're having a good time over here, people. You know what to do. Like, subscribe. We're going to catch you next time. Peace.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we had a great show tonight. Those bacon wrapped pickles were insane. We got some crazy people walking around here having a good time. Guys, get involved with some of those. Dude, what the are you doing? He's got problems. Something's wrong with this guy. I'm telling you. All right, in 3, 2, your faces for a second, okay? God.
Okay.
Can't do this. Okay, all right. So 3, 2.